Hello, yes, we're here. Hey, good morning everybody, it's over My Philippine Dreams. And today we are checking out our house rental. We just picked up this place. We're finally moving after 6 years in Pink House. We are finally moving to another house and it is orange. So this is Orange House. As you can see, it's got a good sized lot. I like how they have, you know, the concrete, but then they also have the metal there, so you get some breeze through it, because a lot of times when you have big walls, you don't get a good breeze. There's a Bahay Kubo here, which is just like a little nipa hut. We can lacquer that and have karaoke parties out here. It's also nicely landscaped. It's gonna take a lot of raking, but hey. There's a covered carport right here. We got our dirty kitchen over there. There's a terrace. We'll go up and check out the terrace in a little bit. And as you can see, all the windows have security grates and window screens, which is very important. And Zoe's starting her walking thing. Go Zoe, go! Come on, come on. Let's do a little cursory examination of the rest of the exterior. There's a little porch out front. There's all kinds of lighting, which is good. There's an intercom system, which was interesting. Again, the landscaping's really nice. This actually scrubs off, so we can clean this off. It's probably black mold or something, who knows. That's probably gonna be chopped down. Over here, there's an outside CR. And there's also a stockroom that can be used for a helper. So this would be the helper's CR. Spacious, get the cabo, all that stuff. There's also an outside pump if you need to use an outside pump. The water pressure is about the same as Pink House, but I think we're gonna do one of those bladder water pressure tank things. They already had one hooked up. You can see the electricity line for it right there. These are the clothesline, but I can barely reach these, so we're gonna have to figure out some other place to put our clothes to dry. There's some lungai trees over there. This is also a quiet neighborhood. There's some roosters off in the distance. There's a lot of really big houses, like mansions around here, this neighborhood. There's also a nice breeze coming through. We're on the Bakong Banilad border, and we're about a 4-minute walk to the beach, which would be nice, because Bridget likes going to the beach. More exterior. Let's go around and check out the terrace. This is weird because some friends of ours got a house and they got like the perfect $400 a month house. And they had a terrace very similar to this with a very steep staircase. We're gonna have to block this off because we don't want Zoe going up here. But you have a little terrace up here. And which is nice because our bedroom is right beneath this. So basically you got 2 levels of concrete breaking up the sun and the heat. So it'll keep the bedroom cooler. So this is the terrace. There's a neighbor over there. There's a big building over there, I don't know what that is. And this is our terrace, and there's power hookups. I don't know if you want to put a TV or something up here. Karaoke machine. And Zoe really likes the concrete walls. Zoe likes walking on her tiptoes.
Like Mr. Bean.
She's Mr. Bean. she's got her back arched. And again, there's the carport down there. It'll be nice to have a carport for our Tucson because we've been using the mango tree and it's been getting hit with mangoes. Usually the mangoes that fall are very ripe, so it doesn't do any damage, but it's pretty gross, it's all slimy. This is the stock room. It's basically the same size as you can see right there. They don't have the key for it yet. They're gonna be dropping that off. But let's go inside. Okay, let's go inside, take 2, because I forgot to put on the lights. All right. This is gonna be our bedroom right here. This is much bigger than the rooms we had before. At Pink House, we have Filipino size rooms, which are about 10 by 12. I think this is like 14 by 16. I'm not sure. We're not going to use that light there. The thing's awfully bright. We'll just get a table lamp or something. It's got the hookups for the air conditioner. We're going to put a split type air conditioner right here. It's got all kinds of cabinetry in this room, as you can see, and I've already tested it. It's just been freshly lacquered, and then all the opening and closing is good. This is our CR. It's got the hookup for the water heater already there. It's basically a CR. There's no mirror, but I don't like looking at myself anyways. Basically a CR. This is the kitchen area, and there's a lot of cabinetry in here. The owners actually live up the mountain a bit, and they completely renovated the house. All new fresh paint, the white paint that you see, the brown paint on the cabinetry. Everything is new. We just did a function test today, checking out, making sure all the cabinets open and close, all the windows open and close and everything. So that's cool. Yeah, this is the sala. It's got a ceiling fan. Sala is like a living room. It's not huge, but it's not small either. It's good size, perfect size. And we're gonna be getting some furniture from Janice to put in there. This is going to be my office right here. As you can see, they got raised, these two rooms are raised. So Zoe's not gonna be able to get in here with her walker, which is good, because she annoys me when I'm trying to work. So this will be the office. We'll have our TV, entertainment system, computer, everything here. And right next to it, and again, this room again is about 14 by 14. Not too big, not too small. And this is another room. Not sure what we're going to use this for. It's also got cabinetry in here. Lots of storage. We've got a lot of stuff. Again, we did a function test on all the windows. All the windows work. Got the stuff for the curtains, because we're going to have to install our curtains. And that's basically it. We're paying $15,000 a month for this, which is $5,000 more a month, $100 more a month than we're paying for Pink House. And okay, breastfeeding. And quick story, make long story short, when they showed the house, there was a bunch of people who came in. There was a bunch of people, and it took me what? I walked in the front door.
Yeah, and then when you went out, you said, we'll take it.
We'll take it. And the other people that were here were like, oh man, I jumped on this. Because again, you hear some dogs barking, but it's a lot quieter than where we are right now. The neighborhood is really nice. It's spacious. It's gonna require a lot of work though. Honey, this is a lot of sweeping, this is a lot of raking, gotta mow the grass, gotta do all that stuff. Okay, Janice says it's easier to clean, you'll be cleaning it then.
I can do it.
So this is our new house. I gotta mow all this. Quick side note, this is something that I just noticed. There's a raised concrete slab right next to the outside dirty kitchen. And I asked Chicha, I'm like, why do they have a raised concrete slab here? And she said,
because it's Filipino. It's too short.
Because it's too short to reach the grill. Oh, and there's also a stove underneath there. But we don't know if it works yet, so might be taking that off. All right. I don't know when we'll be moving. It's no rush. But we're very happy that after 3.5 years of searching for housing, we finally found one. So this is Ned.
Zoe.
And Janice, and we will see you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Yeah, the tickle monster. There's no escaping the tickle monster. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.